Hello, I'm Anmol. You're watching Odisha Post Live, and these are today's headlines.
A three-judge Supreme Court bench headed by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud urged the protesting doctors across the country to return to work. The Chief Justice said that justice and medicine cannot go on strike. The bench also told the councils for the centre and government of West Bengal not to politicize the gruesome murder of the doctor at the R.G. Kar Medical College and Hospital in Kolkata. Please don't politicize this issue. The law will take its course. We are ensuring that law does take its course after a quick and efficient investigation, the Chief Justice said. 5 persons died and 25 others suffered injuries when an oil tanker rammed into a passenger bus near Samarjhola Chowk in Berhampur under Hinjali police limits in Ganjam district Thursday morning. The oil tanker, after hitting the bus, overturned and landed on a shop. 3 of the deceased were having their morning tea in the shop when they were crushed to death. Later, Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi announced an ex gratia of Rs 2 lakh to the kin of each of the deceased. Mines Minister Vibhuti Bhushan Jaina said Thursday in the Odisha Assembly that gold deposits have been found in the Adasa Ramapalli locality in Devgarh district. He also added that the mineral block will be auctioned in due course of time. A vigilance raid on properties linked to Vibhudananda Mishra, forest officer of Dhenkanal range, has uncovered a vast array of assets including 5 buildings in the state, 8 plots, a farmhouse in Cuttack, cash and deposits of over Rs 40 lakh, substantial quantity of gold ornaments and 2 vehicles and 6 two-wheelers, officials said on Thursday. Vigilance officials said Mishra has been detained for having assets disproportionate to his known sources of income. In the wake of the Ganjam hooch tragedy, Law and Excise Minister Prithviraj Harichandan said on Thursday in Bhubaneswar that all illegal liquor units across the state will be demolished with bulldozers. We have directed for demolition of illegal distilleries using bulldozers. Illegal liquor operations will not be tolerated in Odisha, Harichandan said. The BJP-led Odisha government has given nod to exempt methanol from import fees and excise duty. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Mukesh Mahaling informed on Thursday during the Assembly session. A decision to this effect was taken on August 7 in a meeting presided over by Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi, Mahaling said. Doctors at Delhi's All India Institute of Medical Sciences announced Thursday that they were calling off their 11-day strike to protest the rape and murder of a Kolkata doctor, following an appeal from the Supreme Court. We are resuming duties following the Supreme Court's appeal and assurances and intervention in the R.G. Kar incident and safety for doctors. We commend the court's action and patient care remains our top priority, the AIIMS Resident Doctors Association said in a post on X. A bomb threat message in the washroom of an Air India flight that landed from Mumbai resulted in a full emergency being declared at the Thiruvananthapuram airport on Thursday, turned out to be a hoax, police said. The police also said that no explosives were found on the aircraft after an intensive search carried out by security agencies. A day ahead of his visit to conflict-torn Ukraine, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said on Thursday that India firmly believes a solution to any conflict cannot be found on the battlefield, and it is ready to extend all possible cooperation for restoration of peace and stability in the region. Modi made the remarks after holding wide-ranging talks with Polish Prime Minister Donald Tusk. Former Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik felicitated Thursday some members of the Indian men's hockey team that won a second consecutive bronze medal at the Olympics game in Paris earlier this month. Many congratulations from my side to you all. I hope next time you will bring gold, Patnaik said while addressing the players. Those in attendance were Sumit, Lalit Kumar Upadhyay, Abhishek and Sanjay, along with Hockey India President Dilip Tirki.
That's all for today's headlines. Stay tuned to Odisha Post Live.